Students are making $5,500 ties in dollars Cavendish, 2 Hendon Allers. Most don't know which ones actually work. We're showing you the top 5 side hustles that require zero experience and minimal startup costs. ChatGPT, Claude, and Midjourney let students create blog posts, social media content, and design assets for Fiverr and Upwork. Businesses pay $50 $300 per project. Start by offering AI-powered content packages. Real students earn $800,000 to $1,200 $200,000 without leaving campus. The barrier to entry is near zero. Allos Titan can course Hero pay students to answer questions. Hero pays students to answer questions. $100 midday tools to verify answers faster. When increasing your hourly rate, you can earn $15 $150 to $155 per hour, while some students build their own tutoring apps using no-code tools and charge subscriptions directly. Small businesses need help managing Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Use AI to generate captions, schedule posts, and analyze engagement. Charge $300 $500 monthly per client. Most students manage $300 monthly income stream with $550 weekly work. Companies building AI models need humans to label data. Platforms like Scale AI and Labelbox pay $starters closing $50 3 hourly for this work. It's flexible, remote, and requires no coding skills 0 hourly for this work. It's flexible, remote, and requires no coding skills. Students complete tasks between classes. One handle earnings potential reaches $300 no dollars cutting dollars, $500 of the comment which hustle you're trying first.